Hi everyone. So welcome to day 2 of our vlog or trip to Kodaikanal. So what I'll do, I'll just give you a quick recap of what we did on the first day and then what we plan to cover on day 2. So first day we went to Madurai, we visited Meenakshi Amman temple. It was a very soothing and spiritual experience for me. Secondly, we came to Kodaikanal. We spent half of the day just visiting inside the city, different places, different eateries, the lake, Kodai Lake that we went to. Also, Bryant Park is a good place to visit within the city itself. And then that led us to day 2. So in day 2, we plan to cover a waterfall and we want to do a snows. We did not want to extend any more points on the same day because we do not know how tiring that trek could be. This is the day that I personally enjoy the most in Kodaikanal. Hope you also have a fun time watching the video. We started our day on day 2 with a breakfast buffet in the resort itself. Buffet काफ़ी अच्छा था, काफ़ी अच्छा South Indian dishes they served us, and sun was also shining today. That was a surprise because yesterday it was very gloomy. We were all excited for our day 2. The first spot that we wanted to visit was Vattakanal Falls. You can see Sushi really excited for the day ahead. यहाँ के रोड्स ही इतने अच्छे हैं कि मतलब आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू नीड एनी मोर पॉइंट्स रियली और स्टॉप्स. मतलब यू कैन जस्ट एंजॉय द रोड्स एंड दैट शुड बी गुड इनफ टू जस्टिफाई अ ट्रिप टू Kodaikanal. The waterfall itself was also very good, but given that we had come on a long weekend, काफ़ी लोग आए हुए थे यहाँ पे. So they have passion fruit, mango, and this is ये क्या है?
ये वाला स्टार फ्रूट है.
Star fruit, and we are
ये
eating
पैशन
this
फ्रूट है.
tomato, tree
ये
tomato.
टमाटो.
Guys, press.
It's good.
It's good.
Sir, मोबिन.
Mobile. ऐसे. कुछ बताओ क्या चल रहा है हमारे लाइफ में? Yeah, we are going to Dolphin's Nose, and what happened is that there is so much jam on this road that we preferred that we dropped our cab and now we are going walking. It seems it's pretty nearby from here. Look at this mannequin, so real. पूछो तो इनसे Dolphin's Nose किधर है? भैया, where is Dolphin's Nose? इधर से लेफ्ट है क्या? How much? 200 meters. Okay.
There is no visibility.
It's so good. This is what we came for. मतलब कल तक कोडाईकनाल थोड़ा सोसो टाइप लग रहा था हमको, but now it is showing its true colors. Amazing fog walks. So good. Coming. So the trek has begun. This is the start of the Dolphin's Nose trek. इनिशियली तो काफ़ी आसान लग रहा है ये वैसे. एक लकड़ी उठाएगी तो उठा लो बुबू. पक्का. It's actually easier, but I don't know what you're talking about.
Because this is easy for me. Say hi.
एक इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इस ट्रैक के बारे में ये है कि द ट्रैक इज फर्स्ट डाउनवर्ड्स एंड देन व्हाइल कमिंग बैक यू कम
That's
अपवर्ड.
my husband. Planning to run away from me or what?
काफ़ी सीरीन लग रहा था ये पोर्शन ऑफ द ट्रैक पे मुझे. द पाइन ट्रीज, द फॉग. आई एम कमिंग. बस ये जो लोग फोटो खिंचा रहे हैं पत्थर के एंड पे जाके, दैट इज द डॉल्फिन्स नोज। एंड I would advise against going any further than what Sushi is trying to go. I was asking her also not to go further down. But yeah, this is Dolphin's Nose, a spot with serene views, cute little Maggie points, and hopefully some rain and fog.
Yes,
Where did
sure.
you get this raincoat?
Oh, we bought it from home. You might get one of these shops. You can check once. I don't know. We didn't check. Did not check. चलो चलिए जी, आप चलिए, आप लीड कीजिए। देखिए सुष्मिता जी हमें लीड कर रही हैं। शी हैज़ बीन एन एविड ट्रेकर। शी हैज़ बीन ट्रैकिंग फॉर अ गुड 45 minutes now. Great experience. We'll get to learn a lot, I think, from her. The learning is, let's not carry any sticks. Trust the balance that you have. Yes, that he'll carry you if you fall down. Not sure there's that much love between us, but it's okay.
वापस ट्रैक से ऊपर जाते वक्त we decided to stop at this cute little Maggie point, and the views from there was also amazing, so we decided to click a few videos from there.
So how did you rate the trek?
It's a good experience.
In terms of difficulty, what are you rating out of 10?
Maybe 8,
8. 8 नहीं था,
7.
6.5, 7 था।
मेरे लिए तो 7 था।
7. I'll show you 7. Okay.
Okay.
And it's a nice one, and you have Altaf's Cafe right at the end of the trek, so you can have something good to eat. We are looking forward to it.
That
And we're seeing people are coming in chappals and all. Please guys, don't litter while trekking, nor wear chappals, wear good shoes. We also sell shoes at the start of the trek. Yeah, carry such. A lot of people have asked us about this raincoat during this trek, so we would recommend carry raincoats when you're especially coming to Kodaikanal, because it can rain out of nowhere here. Okay. So we have come to have lunch at Altaf's Cafe, and Sush will tell us what is what here.
you will tell. There's salad, hummus, this is shakshuka, these are fries, this is my ketchup that I cannot do without, this pita bread, this is really good hot chocolate.
And this is
That is my crepe.
अल्ताफ्स कैफ़े में लंच के बाद हम वापस रिसॉर्ट के लिए निकल पड़े। सो द प्लान फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द डे वाज टू स्पेंड most of our time in resort, play some games, go to the swimming pool, all of these, and then go for an evening stroll. The ride back to our resort was also very picturesque. आप सोच सकते हैं कोडाई कनाल के इस वेदर में टेम्परेचर क्या ही होगा पानी का। स्टिल मैंने हिम्मत करके डुबकी मारी स्विमिंग पूल में। दैट लेड टू सुष्मिता ऑल्सो ट्राइंग हर लक आउट।
We've been walking a lot today, and the idea is that we came from Madurai, and it was a 3-hour journey with a cab, and cabs make us a little bit motion sick here. They don't want to really take another cab today to roam around Kodaikanal. So what we are doing, we are trying to explore the city, at least the main parts of it, on foot as far as possible today. And tomorrow is when we are planning to take a cab. Yeah.
Kodaikanal is really famous for their chocolates and cheese, so I'd highly recommend trying that out in one of these local shops in the main city market area.
अगर आपको मोमो खाना है तो मैं पैक करा के ले जा सकती
It's very tasty. Let's dig in.
हूँ।
ये आज हम लोगों ने ऐसा Tibetan kitchen. We really like this place. Yesterday we had momos here. तो हम यहाँ आए हैं वापस, एंड इसको कल से ही मन था एग चाउमीन खाने का. We have ordered egg Szechuan noodles plus chili chicken. She'll let us know. She has been craving this for about 2-3 days, from what I can say. हाँ?
नमक डालने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
नमक बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। तो नमक कम था गाइस, तो इसने डाल दिया नमक। अभी अब बोल रही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। Let me also taste.
After our dinner, we came back to our resort and enjoyed this bonfire. The events manager of the resort generally organizes these bonfires every day, and they promote everyone to join in, all the families that have come in. It was a very communal environment. That is where I really enjoyed it a lot. See, kids dancing, they are enjoying themselves, and so is me. After everybody went, सुष्मिता अपना एकदम हाथ सेकने में लग गई क्योंकि ठंड बहुत थी वहाँ पे. I was still contemplating going into the swimming pool. That is it guys from our day 2. If you like our content, please like, subscribe and share our content with your friends. Thank you for watching.